17, 25, 2/3 alive. I can still breathe enough of the time, enough to pretend like I'm alright.
This is the mask dispenser. So right now there's a few of them here. So I'm going to attempt to take out one mask from it using my identification card. Right now I'm going to use my SingPass with my IC on it. So you can see this is a SingPass app and with my IC. So first of all, I have to select one mask that I think I like. So I'll choose this. And based on I'm supposed to scan the QR code. So I'm going to scan my SingPass here. And yes, it's done. So it's done. That's it to collect the mask from the dispenser. Okay, next you can actually select it and then you use the very basic one, means manual entry to get it. So I'm going to attempt to get it also. Okay, 3. So I want to do a manual entry. Okay, so I can put. So this is a manual entry. So once it's done, what the hell? Okay. It's very fast. I can't even notice it, and it's done. So it is done using manual entry and using a card or a barcode. Hi guys, I am already back home. So I just gotten this mask from the vending machine. So let's take a look at both package, because if you have noticed, they are slightly different. I believe they have different colors, straps or elastic bands on it. So without further ado, let's open it out. In one package there is two pieces, and you can see I have a purple elastic band and another one is an orange elastic band. And you can see from here, let me show you, it has a adjustable, I think, yeah, slightly adjustable loop, whereby you can adjust it to fit better to your to your face. And let me see, okay, there is also one bendable nose piece over here, whereby you can adjust it to fit your nose bridge. And it looks quite simple, the mask. So this mask is supposedly you can use it for 30 times. That is quite a number of times. And over here, right, they even let you record down the number of times that you have used it. Very thoughtful for a small little piece of paper inside, to first to teach you how to wash it, and then on the below the daily use records, whereby you can just tick off. If you have used one time, you just tick once, and then up to 30 times you have to dispose it. And for this package, you can see that there's a red line on it. And let me open it out also. So every package you have a piece of paper with all this information. And now let me see. Okay, this looks normal. So if you are those that don't like colors, you can get this. But if you notice, for this, right, it doesn't have the adjustable band like this. It doesn't have adjustable band. It's the standard band over here. So depending on you, you might like something very traditional, a white color, but without the adjustable band, or you might like something a little bit fanciful, but but it seems to me that both are usable. And let me see, what is this? Okay, so this is a little bit different, because based on my understanding, if I read the news properly, correctly, it should be a DET DEX 30, but okay, it should be a DEX 30 brand of the face mask. But right now, for this, it is not a DEX 30. Based on what I see here, it's just a QR code. But then I believe it might have the same capability of a DEX 30.
8, 17, 25 with bloodshot eyes. I could still sleep on most nights. I could still, but sometimes don't know, I don't know if anything's gonna get better, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna get better yet, if anything's gonna, if anything's gonna